In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. Copilot is built into Outlook to help you handle email faster. It can summarize long threads, draft polished replies, and even turn conversations into calendar invites or meeting notes. First, open Outlook on your desktop or in your browser and sign in as you normally would. If you don't see Copilot later on, make sure you're on the latest version of Outlook or try the new Outlook experience. Some capabilities are available only for certain accounts, so your organization may need to enable them. Next, look to the top right corner of the Outlook window and click the Copilot icon. That opens the Copilot panel on the right side. This is your workspace for prompts. You can type natural language requests, and Copilot will use the email you're viewing to provide context-aware results. To summarize or draft email, start by opening the message or conversation you care about. For a quick overview, ask Copilot to summarize the thread. It will highlight key points, decisions, dates, and outstanding questions so you can understand the conversation at a glance. If something is unclear, ask follow-ups like what decisions were made or what's still pending. When it's time to reply, tell Copilot what you want to say, include the tone, length, and any must-include details. Copilot generates a draft you can insert into your message. Always review the text before sending, adjust wording to match your voice, and double check names, dates, and attachments. If the draft is close but not perfect, refine it with instructions such as shorter, more formal, or add a clear call to action. You can also ask Copilot to create calendar invites or meeting notes. From a relevant email, request an invite, specify timing and duration, and Copilot will prepare a calendar event based on the conversation. Review the attendees, time zones, and agenda before sending. For meeting notes, ask Copilot to extract discussion points and action items from the thread or from your own notes, and it will produce structured notes you can include with the event so everyone is aligned. And that's all there is to it. You opened Outlook, launched Copilot, used it to summarize or draft email, and asked it to create calendar invites or meeting notes. With clear prompts and a quick review, Copilot helps you move through your inbox with confidence and speed. Thanks for watching.